I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today we're going to look at Microsoft, Chipotle Mexican Grill, and Tech Resources. Yesterday, Dan Niles was on Fast Money, and he's not exactly bullish on Microsoft. He thinks, basically there's a big migration away from PCs, and that's a tough thing for Microsoft because there's a lot of other folks in the space on the mobile platform. So what are we going to do here? Look, Microsoft is selling. It's right at the 200-day moving average. If you're looking to buy this stock, there's your bogey right here, right now at 30 bucks. The stock bounced off of 30. Now it's at 30.17. But I got to tell you, this isn't my kind of trade because it's just not really doing that much. I mean, here's 32.87. It's 30 bucks. On this whole chart, the stock just really isn't moving that much. I don't know, frankly, why you'd want to own it. 2.9% dividend, fine. It went down 0.72% just yesterday. So this 2.9% dividend is not going to save you if the stock starts rolling over, or if it starts kind of pulling back below the 200-day moving average. I think Dan's right, and I would just avoid this stock. Now, it may bounce just a little bit, but that's your opportunity to sell. Kramer was talking about Chipotle last night. Basically doing a mea culpa. He said he shouldn't have recommended it or whatever. Jim's been right about a lot of stocks, and he was right about Chipotle on the way up. But here's the thing. Now, this stock has run its course. If you're long this stock, you're wrong. Now, with that said, just like I mentioned with Microsoft, it's kind of poised for a little bounce. You can see how it's fallen. Now maybe we're going to get a little bounce today. But is that really going to matter? I mean, you look at how the stock, this thing rallied right off the bottom. Now it's rolling over. Do you really want to buy it anticipating this kind of move? I think no. I think you just stay put. And by the way, if the stock rallies up here to around 340-ish, something like that, I would short that puppy. And last but not least here is Tech Resources. Tim Seymour likes this on Fast Money last night. He says this is basically an emerging market trade. These guys are a big metal company, and not just copper. They do a whole bunch of different stuff. They're like a mutual fund of metals. Think about it that way. We've got our resistance level here, breakout, now back, a pullback to support at the 50-day moving average, which had been resistance on the stock. So this is actually an awesome time to be buying this stock. Right here, right now, with a stop right there. Just a little bit below yesterday's intraday low of 28.81. Oh, make it 28. Make it 27.96. There's your stop. And that's it for today. Look, you need to get over to optionmarketmentor.com. We're still in the first month offering. Just open it up where you get a riskless 30-day trial for $7.77. That's right, 777. You just enroll, get your 30-day free look, and you know what? If you don't like it, I'll give you your $777 back. It's not a big deal. But if you're interested in options, if you want to learn options, and if you want to learn them from me, then you need to check that out, because we're not going to keep this offer open. We're going to shut it down before we've been open for a month, and we've been open a couple weeks already. So get over there and check that out, okay? I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.